This is a very effective method how we can find profitable products inspired from the products which are actually doing well. If they are selling something about 1000 rupees, 2000 rupees, even 7000 rupees, can you see the potential here? You are getting the products at around 250, 280, 350 rupees, right? And there are plethora of products here.
Hey guys, this is Arnab and you are watching Digital Arnab. In this video series, we are learning how we can start an e-commerce store right from scratch and scale it to the moon without investing much money and much. Since the day I launched my free video series, I am getting constant emails and messages how we can get the products from and how to validate those products are really doing well and that can be profitable for us. So this will be the most informative video of this series where we will completely break down the product research method, how we can research and validate products for our store which can actually be profitable and can be scalable for us, how we can find suppliers, contact them, negotiate on prices. I will also guide you those. And at the end of the video, I am going to share with you a killer strategy which you can implement to get unlimited profitable products for free in your store. So stick around with that video and let's dive in.
So we have already have seen the things we need to start our e-commerce store. Now the most important part is how we actually find products for our store. So the best source is IndiaMart, of course. IndiaMart is the hub of wholesalers where we can find anything and everything. Maybe we want some products related to home decor, right? You just need to search that product and you will be given lots of option to choose from. Here we have the price, the contact number of the supplier, and if you contact the supplier, you call them, they generally have lots of products which are not generally showcased in IndiaMart website, right? If you contact them, they will send over their catalog over your WhatsApp number or maybe an email. You can check those and select the products you feel can be profitable for your store. Now if I give example of this home decor, see, look what people are selling in home decor, right? Just type it, home decor products. We have different kind of options and you can see the prices here, right? So if they are selling something about 1000 rupees, 2000 rupees, even 7000 rupees, can you see the potential here? You are getting the products at around 250, 280, 350 rupees, right? And there are plethora of products here, right? And if you can visit any of the store, maybe this one we want to visit, they are selling it at around this price 300, sorry, 3000, more than 3000 rupees. And this is a Shopify store. If you see a if you see the URL as the domain name slash product and the name of the product, this is the 99% of a Shopify store. I mean, you can figure out from the link, right? And you can get inspiration from the look and feel of the website, and accordingly you can design your own store. I am not telling that you just copy and paste everything from their website. If you do that, it's a bad sign, because in the eye of the Google will only give the preference to the site which has the original content, right? So never copy and paste, but you can obviously do some competitor research. If you are in this niche, that is home decor niche, you can definitely uh, check your competitors, observe what they are doing, and create a better product page, and that is how it goes, right? We have some different products here. Maybe this one we will check. This is also a Shopify store. From the look and feel and from the URL it is evident. They have different kind of products, so if they are selling and they are making money out of it, you can do that as well, right? So the first method is, checking the niche you have selected and finding related products in home decor. If you like, you can try some other niches as well, right? Maybe gifting option, or maybe some actually this product was really hit at some point. This is actually a problem solving product. What this actually does, it allows you to warm your food at office. At office we don't get hot or warm food, right? Lots of offices are there where there is no provision of microwave and all. So in that case, this could be very useful. It takes power from the electric socket and we can warm our food, right? So you can contact maybe this one, this supplier. You can check 2 3 suppliers, check their prices, talk to them, and then fix your fix a supplier from where you're actually getting a good deal, right? This is how it goes. So IndiaMart is a very good source to research products. And but actually what happens, these prices are not final. When you call them, the suppliers, they will tell you the exact price, which is I mean the current price. It can be higher, it can be lower as well, depends on the quantity. They mostly have some minimum order quantity, but the minimum order quantity is not that much higher. Mostly it is 5 pieces or 10 pieces maximum. You can contact with the supplier and negotiate on prices and quantity. Most of them do drop ship for you, that is, even if you get one order, they will do it for you. If you have a very good high volume, that is maybe 20 orders per day or 30 orders per day for a particular product, and they even can give you more discount on the prices. Apart from IndiaMart and Udaan, we have plethora of options to get the products from. By the way, we have the app called Udaan. They have a website too, but most of the time I find their website buggy. So if you are using Udaan, it is recommended to use within their app only, right? Here you will have to select the category, and there are plenty of options to choose from. The minimum order quantity is also very low, and you can choose different kind of products according to the niche. And here you can see we have only one minimum order quantity, and price varies depending on the quantity as well. And from here you can actually order to your place, to your home or office, or from the place where you are actually operating from, right? Now let's find the killer method. I mean, this is a very effective method how we can find profitable products inspired from the products which are actually doing well, right? Go to your Facebook and in the search box write phrases like this: 50% off free shipping, or you can type 50% off, uh, or only free shipping, 40% off plus free shipping, or free delivery, or cash on delivery. If you type those, these phrases are actually used by dropshippers or e-commerce store owners, right? So I have just typed it, and I can see these videos, right? These are actually ads by most of the time this is the ad they are using, or lots of people do organic posting as well. This was actually a very hot product at a time, and I tried this product out, and the response was really good. So if I click this and play this video, this is an organic post by the way, but you can see the engagement, right? uh, you can check the amount of like, and it is pretty high. Lots of people has commented, and the number of people has viewed this is pretty crazy. If you play the video, you can actually check their creative. Again, don't copy and paste, but get the inspiration from and create a better creative, right? And how to make those creatives, I'll definitely let you know those. But for the time being, just check their copy, and you can also check the store. You will get the idea of pricing and all. So this is the website, and this is the pricing. And if we check this product, this was also good, but not that great. I mean, the engagement here in this product is pretty crazy. This has got some views, but not that much. But if you check this, I mean, this can be a very useful product, right? It is actually a printer which allows you to print from the phone or your computer or any other devices. So these are called the problem solving products. This sell pretty well, right? You can continue your own research. um, just change these phrases out, and you will find tons of products, and within 2-3 hours you will be able to list out lots of products which are extremely profitable. Now, uh, maybe you like this one, this product you like. This is called mosquito killer. Just copy this phrase and type it. This is called mosquito killer lamp. Just copy this and go to your India Mart. Just go to India Mart and paste it, right? Now if you scroll down, you can source this product at around 150 rupees, right? And the competitor page we actually saw, the price is around 1000 rupees. So if they're doing it at 1000 rupees, and if you get this product at around maybe 200 rupees, and you sell it at around 800 rupees, still you are making 4x, right? So this is the potential of Indian e-commerce, and that is why I always say anyone and everyone can do Indian e-commerce with some basic knowledges. And uh, in this day of age, you don't have to uh, you know do very hard research. The information is already available. You'll have to just find those and implement. That's it. So how do you find products for your store? We have India Mart, which we have already seen. We have Udan app is really good, but their website is pretty buggy, so you can check their app if you like. We have local wholesale market, right? If you find a local product pretty interesting, you can always visit to the local wholesale market and talk to the traders or suppliers. Mostly they do drop shipping. If they don't, you can order their minimum order quantity, that is of 5 to 10 products, right? Once you validate the product as a winning product, then you can do proper e-commerce. You can store some inventory at your home or office or warehouse, or what you can do, you can ask your wholesaler that, okay, I'll order from you. You don't hold inventory. I'll order from you. Let the inventory keep with you. Once I get order, I'll send the label to you and you ship out your orders. If you have a good volume, 99% chance is there they'll agree to it. And these days most wholesalers do drop shipping for you, right? If you have any factory or manufacturing unit of your product in your area, you can visit and talk to them. You can visit uh, to a self-help group. Mostly they prepare some home decor items and pottery and stuff like that. You can visit to an artist if you're willing to send if you're willing to sell paintings and handicrafts item. You can visit trade fair. They come up with different innovative products. Or else you can use my private supplier, right? Till now I have been using them. They are really trustworthy and their price is quite reasonable. They have a variety of products. I also recommend my clients to use them because of the convenience and the trust factor and definitely their service. If you need to use my private supplier, you can tell me, you can shoot me a DM. I'll help you with their contact number, right? There are some apps called Glowroad or VFulfill. They have also a good collection of products, but the problem is their product is pretty high priced, so it is very difficult to get the margin, right? That's why I don't recommend using Glowroad and apps like VFulfill.
If you got some value, smash the like button, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon on. And I have a free guide which can actually shows how you can get more sales with your Shopify store. Go check that out. It is in the description. If you are planning to start your e-commerce store, go with Shopify. With Shopify, you will be able to launch your first e-commerce store within a day. The free trial is in the description. Go check that out and start creating your store.